One of the things that are most demanded in the marketplace right now is the balance between function and design. This house absolutely nailed it. What are some of the features that you like that are in this house that kind of blend the two of those?
It's simple, but one of the favorites is just the need for electricity while we're cooking, but we don't want to see the outlets.
Love that.
Simply hide them in. And the other one is the pantry, the workspace that we need here in the pantry, but we have the ability to simply shut the door and not need to deal with the mess or see the mess.
It leaves your main living areas beautiful and clean and pristine while leaving all the mess behind closed doors.
Excuse me.